talk to you, so don't you talk to me. I ain't dissing on nobody,
YouTube, it's your boy Nas the Gamer here, and I'm back with another video. Earlier today, I couldn't upload the video because there's something wrong with YouTube, but now I'm making a new one, and yeah, let's get into it. Do I have new chests? Alright, alright, alright. So, today, today I opened the, what's it called? Legendary guns, and they gave me a sniper rifle for the whole day. Now today I'm gonna be using that a little bit. Sometimes I won't. I don't know. But today the video can only be 10 minutes long. So I died. I didn't see that guy behind me. Sorry if I sound a little sick. She's hiding right here. Oh, trying to run. Oh, I knew someone was behind. What? I didn't get that kill? I still didn't get the kill? Are you kidding me? What? Well, I'm exiting out of this one because, gotta make it. Also, um, I'm saving all my money for certain guns. So if it sounds like I'm chewing something, I'm just eating a Twix. I know it. Sorry if you hear like stuff in the background. Fast and the Furious is on, so yeah. I'm trying to bring my team back into this. Doesn't seem like it's gonna work with 45 seconds left. Also, how's your weekend doing? Is your weekend doing good? I think, what the heck? My weekend's doing great. Yeah, Hank is doing awesome. I'm actually having a good time, spending time with my family. Had a basketball game, we won. A lot. It's been good. It's been a great experience. Now I'm sneaking behind them so they don't suspect anything. Go this way. Hopefully they're still there. Standing around. No. I can make it. I can make it. My team won. Oh, well, that's cool. This video is only going to be 10 minutes long. See what side I'm on. Alright, we have the disadvantage. See the chat. Oh, if. Oh, I got the assist good, but that guy stole my kill. Oh, someone just died on my team. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just counting. 3, longer. I feel like I want to go down there, but then I don't. Oh, over there. Oh shit, I'm about to kill my teammate. I fought team. Oh, it's right there. Don't pop your head out. I told you. You know. Wait, who's shooting? Oh, this guy. Thanks, team. Sorry if I'm camping. You know what? I'm not gonna camp. Since you guys like roast me in the comments when I camp. Yeah, dang, this gun's powerful. Oh, let me take his gun. I died. Sorry, that's my mom.
With Domino's Piece of the Pie rewards, you can earn free pizza, a chance at Domino's stock, or $10,000 in store profits.
I don't know if I'm going down this way. Well, this is gonna be the last gameplay. And I'm gonna say the same thing I always say. Please subscribe. Please, like, please, can I get more than 1 subscriber? Like, no. Sorry. Where's his gun? Over here? Oh, guess he doesn't have a gun. Oh, I was trying to throw a grenade. Well, check you guys out. Hope you have a great day, and peace. Oh, subscribe. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.